Hi, welcome back to another Tech Spaces cubing YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about this. This is the GAN 11M, no never mind, it's the 2x2. It's the GAN 251M Leap. Alright, so we did an unboxing of this a couple weeks ago, but this is going to be our full review. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is a very nice cube overall. It's priced around $30. I'm pretty sure it's $35.
It's $40.
It's actually $40? Okay.
Yeah,
so this is a pretty expensive cube. But for that you get amazing corner cutting. You can corner cut from basically anywhere except for 45 degrees. It can reverse corner cut. Oops. Yeah, the magnets are really strong. It's really hard to test corner cutting on this thing because the magnets align itself. This thing has the leap feature, which is the same thing as in the GAN 12. And it helps it auto align. It's like the auto aligning system on this kind of auto aligns, as I demonstrated in the unboxing. So the magnets are really strong. If you can see here, it kind of does my turn for me. I mean, if you go 45 degrees, it doesn't, but then you go, and then it just does its turn. It uses standard GES nuts, so you can take your nuts from the 3x3, like a 3x3 compatible GES nut 3x3, and stick it in here. And what came in the box was GES nuts, a tool to take it out, and a screwdriver to adjust the magnets. So that's it. That's what I'll have to say. Let's do a solve.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Eight seconds.
Is that +2?
No. But yeah.
That's a +2.
Aha!
Ah!
Are you ready?
Ready?
Eight seconds.
Oh, you put that out. No, it's a +2 again! Okay.
What are you talking about? That was horrible. Let's just ignore that.
Okay,
Are you ready?
ready?
Eight seconds.
7 seconds.